What's going on, everybody? DJ Carlo here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use auto loop, sync, and the tempo fader to create a seamless build-up transition to any genre or BPM.
Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. You been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. With the team, down with the team. So time to get down with the team. Time to get down with the team. Time to get down with the team.
So let's say you're in a party and you're DJing around a low BPM like 80 and you're getting pretty bored and you want to hype things up and start DJing more exciting songs in the 130 BPM range area. What do? They're so far apart. 80, 130, my god, that's that. I don't want to do the math. There's a reason why I'm a DJ. Anyway, this is where the loop sync transition comes in. You see, it's a technical and flexible transition that can be used to either transition up or down the BPM scale in build-up or breakdown form. So if you want to turn it up, you are good to go, and if you want to just break it down and chill, you're also good to go. And it's also a transition that can be used on any DJ controller or software. So before we get started, let me just say that all the songs used in the tutorial are all available for download down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. Anyway, let's begin. So for this tutorial, we're going to use two songs. The one on the left is a song we're going to be transitioning from. It's a trap song in the 80 BPM range area, and we refer to this as the current song. Now the song on the right is the song we're going to be transitioning to. It's an EDM song in the 130 BPM range area, and we refer to this as the next song. So since we're trying to transition between these two songs, which both have drastic BPM differences, it'll be best to set the tempo range of both decks too wide. So if you use a Rekordbox DJ controller, press shift and beat sync until you reach the wide setting. And if you use a Serato controller, press shift and key lock until you reach the wide setting as well. So the idea is to first play the current song, then ready the intro section of the next song, and with the tempo fader, match the BPM of the next song with the BPM of the current song.
Get down. With the team, down. Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. You been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. With the team, down with the team. So
next step now is to press sync on the next track, even though you already matched the BPMs. Then make a one beat loop on a section in the current song, and then once the loop repeats once, play the next song. Now where you loop is up to you, but I personally make a loop at a vocal section in the current song after a chorus.
Get down with the team. Time to get down with the team. Time to get down with the team.
Now once this happens, slowly bring the tempo fader of the current song closer to the next song's base BPM. So in our case, it's 128. So we'll bring the tempo fader up very slowly and gradually until we reach the end of the next song's intro. So that's the basic transition. But if you want to take it up a notch, try disabling key lock on the current song, and when you transition to the next song, activate an echo effect on the current song and filter it as you bring the tempo fader up. And that's it. So if you guys have any questions about this tutorial or suggestions for the next video, please do let me know in the comment section down below and I will see what I can do. And with that said, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next one. I definitely suggest you guys to first use whatever you have with you right now. So if that's your cell phone, if that's your laptop, then use that. But if you really want to get started in DJing, what's the best thing that you can buy? Definitely whatever you can afford. Use whatever that is to get you where you want to go. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not the equipment you use, it's how you use it. Be it a phone, a computer, or like a crappy controller.